Welcome everyone to the TradingView platform overview video. Today we're going to be going over how to set up your TradingView if you are brand new. If this is your first time opening a TradingView account, this is going to be perfect for you. We're going to be going over how to make your charts look pretty, how to add indicators, how to change the symbol, best settings to use, and obviously the different tools that they have to offer. So to start, no one likes these ugly horizontal and vertical grid lines, so we're going to turn these off. To do that, you're going to right click, you're going to click settings, and then you're going to go to appearance, and then you're going to turn down the opacity to vert grid lines and to horizontal grid lines. If you want to change the background, you can do so. If you either want to make it solid or gradient, you can do so here. If you want to make it lighter or darker, whatever you may please, you can do that there. Then if you want to change the color of your candles, you head over to symbol, and you can change the green to whatever color you want and the red to whatever color you may please. And then you can adjust scales if you want. We're not going to do any of this today. And if you're paper trading or trading on TradingView, then you can obviously tinker with these settings, but we're not going to be worrying about that today. So now we're going to X out the settings, and we're going to be going over the different tools that TradingView has to offer. So on the right side here, you have your watch list. With the free version, this is the watch list that they offer you. You can, let's see if you can add a ticker to, okay, so you can add a ticker to this watch list, but this is the only watch list you can have on the free version. So you can adjust this as you please, and we'll be going over how to do so. So on the left side here is all of your tools that TradingView has. At the top, you have all your trendline tools. So you have trendline, horizontal array, anchored VWAP, parallel channel, all that good stuff. So to activate it, you just left click it and draw it out on your chart as you please. And then if you want to delete it, let's say you draw it and you want to delete it, all you have to do is click the delete. If you want to change the color of it, once you place it, you'll be able to change the color and how thick it is. And then you can obviously extend it. You can go to the settings and mess with it as you please. So let's just delete that for now. They also have all the fib tools. So if you are big on fibs, you can use their free tools here. And if you want to use their brushes or their rectangles for, let's just say, you want to draw a supply zone right here, and you want to change it to red. All you gotta do is click the paint bucket, change it to red. And if you want to draw a demand zone, you can draw it here as well. These are just hypotheticals, but then change it to red in the top here. And then if you want to even extend it right, you just go to the settings and click extend right, and then it's there forever until obviously it's broken. And then let's just delete these. So you're left click, delete, left click, delete. So now that those are gone, they also have all these text tools. So you have your call out, images. You can add images to your charts now, arrows, and text if you want to add text. So if you want to say like here, you can add your text, and then you are able to edit that if you would like. So to delete that, left click delete. Then they also have all of your Elliott Wave, tools. So you can click any of these and use those as you please. Totally free. Don't need to pay for any of this. This is all in the free account. And then they have all of your emojis and all of your long positions, short positions, all this different data that you can just drag and drop if you want. But to set up my toolbox, so you have this little toolbox when you open an account. So to basically set your tools up in your toolbox, what you're going to do is you're going to left click and you're going to find the tools that you use the most. I tend to use the trendline tool. I like to use the horizontal line, the horizontal array, sometimes regression trend. I'll go down and apply fibs and trend based fibs, and then I may even highlight the brush and the rectangle tool. Let's just say those are the ones that I'd like to use. So once you favorite those, you're going to have this little toolbox that appears at the bottom here. And if it doesn't, you're going to want to click in the bottom left right here where it says show favorite drawing toolbar. So then you can drag this wherever, and then you can just easily select these as you please. And really accessible and really easy to use. And then you can drag this anywhere in your layout, and it is there. So Once you have all the tools you like, you can keep that there. And now we're going to be going over how or what are the best time frames for it really depends on what you're trying to do, but my favorite intraday time frames that I'm going to be favoriting, if we favorite these, it is going to show up on the top here, and you will see that in a second. So we're going to favorite by clicking the little star here, where it says add to favorites, the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, and the weekly. So these are all just time frames. You want to find out what time frame works best for you, and you're going to be able to experiment as we keep learning. But just for the purpose of this video, we're just going to be selecting these time frames. Now that they are all up here, it's really easy to bounce around. Intraday, I will be bouncing around all my time frames, looking when I'm looking for setups, finding where we are at, because the chart looks different on different time frames. So I'm always hopping around multiple time frames, and it is really helpful to have these favorited so that you may just bounce around really fast. So now that we have our time frames all favorited and our toolbar, we're almost done. Now what we need to do is add our favorite indicators. So this is really going to be your personal preference. I'm just going to apply some indicators that many traders like to use. If you want to upgrade to TradingView Premium, you get more indicators, and then you can also add multiple charts to your layout, which you can't do with the free version, but you can still add your favorite indicators to your chart with the free version. So we're just going to add by clicking indicators on the top here. We're just going to type in, let's say RSI. We're going to add RSI right here, Relative Strength Index. We'll add MACD. All you got to do is click it, and it adds to your chart. And then we'll do, let's just say, we'll do EMAs. So now that you have all these set up, you can adjust them by just dragging them down, adjusting them on your chart, and they all adjust to whatever time frame you're on. And now you have your indicators, you have your toolbar, and you have your time frames. So now, if you want to look at a different symbol, so let's say you're looking at Apple for a while, but you want to find a different play, you want to look at a different chart, you're going to click the top left right here, and you're going to type in the chart you want to look at. Today we're going to be looking at NVIDIA, so just NVDA. You're going to type in the ticker and then click Enter, and it automatically switches all of your indicators to update, and your chart will update on the current time frame you're on to that ticker. You can also switch to a different ticker just by typing. So I'm not clicking anything. I'm just typing on the screen AMD, and then the ticker search pops up. So you can do it either way. So let's say now that we are on AMD, we want to add AMD to our watch list. We're looking for a bounce, or we want to look to play AMD soon. So we have this watch list on our right here that is available to us, and to add a stock to your watch list, you're going to click the plus right here. This is add symbol, and you're going to type in AMD. Now you have AMD on your watch list. You can drag it to stocks if you'd like, and you can just select it, any stock on your watch list, and it will switch the chart automatically. So super fast way to bounce around your charts and watch different plays. These are just the bare bones basics. We have multiple videos in the video section on more in-depth videos on how to, if you have the paid version or even just the free version, different things to look for and different little features that they have. And they go more in depth there. This is mainly for beginners that are just looking to open their TradingView account and learn. You can even paper trade on here, and you can. It's all real-time data for free for stocks on TradingView, so it is a great way to chart, and I think the UI is a lot better than Thinkorswim, or I think it's even better than Webull. So this is a good way to chart, and then you can execute your trades through whatever broker you have, whether that's trading or Thinkorswim or Webull or Interactive Brokers, whatever that may be. This is a great way to watch your stocks and find your setups. If you guys have any questions, feel free to message me, Moneylytic, or ask questions in the questions channel. Reach out to any of our head traders or who's ever around, and they will be more than glad to help. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned.